Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a easy Clickbank method that's completely autopilot, and it's not going to take anything work-wise on your effort to do this. Alright, you're going to want to stick around and see this video, and I'm going to get switched over to my other monitor here right now. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, well, reach down there right now and hit that subscribe button while I'm talking about it and you're thinking about it. And don't forget to click that bell, notification bell there right beside it. It'll show up there right below the video here. Because I'm always trying to bring out videos in ways to make money online to help bring more and more financial and time freedom into your guys' life with each and every video. Okay? Alright, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in onto this this method here today. And this method, guys, is so easy. I don't know why I didn't think of this before, but I will tell you this right here at the outset, that this is not a free method. Okay? But don't get dismayed or worried. It's not an expensive one either, but the potential for this to blow up is very good here, as you'll see once we get going here. We're going to be marketing a Clickbank product today, and it's just going to be that easy. This video isn't going to take long. You're going to see the power of this pretty quick. So the first thing we want to do is come over to a Clickbank, of course, and if you don't have a Clickbank account, it's just easy enough and free to create one. Just go to clickbank.com and you can sign up for free, create an account, make sure that you save your account nickname, and you might want to check for a email confirmation in case they send that. It's been so long since I signed up, I can't remember whether they do or not, but I'm going to guess that they probably do. Okay, so make sure you check for that. Anyways, what you want to do is come over to Clickbank, get signed up, get logged into your account, click on Marketplace right here, and it brings you over to the Marketplace page here, and you can see, and by the way, this method that I'm showing you here today can be done with any niche that you want to do it in, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. Now, if you're living in another part of the world and you can't access Clickbank here in the United States, you can still use digistore24.com. Okay, they're located in Germany, and that is accessible to pretty much all the rest of the world if you can't reach Clickbank and work with it. Okay? Now, but for our example today, I just picked on, all I did was come here and click on the little search box right there, and it brings up the most popular Clickbank products that's going on today right now, the most popular in terms of gravity and sales and so on and so forth. Now, I like this one right here. It's a brand new one. I did this in my previous video the other day that on my Clickbank. If you look back on the video behind this one, I used this product here in the method I showed you there. But we're going to use this again, and as you can see, you can make $110.78 at this particular time. These prices seem to change up and down through each day. I don't know why, but I noticed that they do. Not by much, just by a few cents or $1 or whatever. But anyways, 110 bucks off this particular product here. So first thing you want to do is you want to click the promote button. You're going to it's going to be going over here to the sales page. I'll show you that first. And it's just a video sales letter, and it's a pretty good video sales letter. People can read the text version if they want right here as well. So, but anyways, all we need to do is click on our promote button here, and it brings up this here, and you want to put in your account nickname, make sure it's in there, and you can put a tracking ID if you want to. It's not necessary in this particular video to show you that, but you can if you want to. It'll just tell you where your clicks are coming from. In fact, for this method I'm going to show you, you could use a tracking ID, because there's going to be a couple of ways we're going to do this, on how we're going to market this. Okay? Now, just leave it at the default video sales letter here. I mean, you can choose some of these other ones down here if you want. You can look at them and choose whichever one you want. But for this example, I'm just going to leave it at the default. And then we'll just click down here, get our hop links, or generate our hop links. It creates that hop link right there. And then what we want to do is just copy it to the clipboard. You can click that button right there to copy it, or you can also highlight it and copy it that way too. And then now the next thing you want to do is we want to bring this thing over to bit.ly. Of course, we want to shorten up that ugly Clickbank link, and we paste that in there like that, and then we click shorten here. Now leave this here. We're going to leave that bit.ly link there, and because you'll definitely need it. You actually want to copy the bit.ly link, put it on Notepad, and save that link. Okay, so now that we have our product, we've got signed into Clickbank, got a created account, we've got our product pick, we've got our link, we shortened it up at bit.ly. Now comes the powerful part here. This is the part I told you that is not free, but it's not expensive either. What you want to do is you want to come over here to Fiverr.com, one of my favorite sites here, Fiverr. You can see it up here in the address bar. It's Fiverr.com right here. And Fiverr is a site where a lot of people, it's one of my favorite sites. You can get a lot of things done for cheap, and you can also sell and become a seller by clicking right up here as well. And you can, if you don't have an account here at Fiverr, it's easy enough to create one. Just click on join and then get your link. They will send you an email confirmation. Check that out. And then get signed in. If you want to start your gig and sell on Fiverr, you can do that. But that's not what this video is about here today. You can look back at some of my other Fiverr videos. I show you how to do that. Now, if you'll notice up here in the search engine, I typed in affiliate link promotion, and you see it right here. Okay? Affiliate link promotion. This is what I was telling you guys. You're not going to have to do any of the work on your own. This is complete autopilot. All you need to do is just tell them what you want done with your bit.ly link, right? I don't know why I didn't think of this method earlier. It just makes all the sense in the world to me. And if you got a little bit of extra money to spend. So if you look down through here, you can see that there are all kinds of people here. Look right here, it says this person right here. Let me bring up my magnifier here. And this person right here says, I will Clickbank traffic, Amazon affiliate link promotion. Promote your Clickbank affiliate link. Okay, look at for $10 there. And there's others here. Here's one I'll do: viral affiliate USA affiliate marketing affiliate link promotion Clickbank products. You see that, guys? For $5. This person has a good star rating of 4.9. Has been used 5 times for $5. And then there's all kinds of them down through here. If you scroll down, here's one. I will do affiliate link promotion for Amazon marketing and Clickbank products for $5, guys. $5. All you do is just pick one of these and then click on it. You could actually do more than one if you want. The more you do, the better, right? So, for example, if you clicked on one of these, like for example, this guy will promote Clickbank affiliate links, and it says here active link promotion to 100,000 audience right here. If you can see it above my head here, 100,000 audience for just $5. He has a standard package, affiliate Clickbank affiliate promotion to 500,000 for $30, and then on his premium he's got 80. He'll go to millions of audience plus 3 social media different campaigns and so on and so forth. So what you will want to do, for example, you just at the 100,000 just spend $5. That's a pretty large audience, 100,000 people, guys. Spend $5, hire this guy to promote your Clickbank link out there on the internet for you. Promote your bit.ly link for you. Now that's one way you can do it there. You can do it and actually you might want to sign up for a couple of these, spend $10, and like this guy right here, he says that he'll drive affiliate link traffic for Clickbank and all kinds of other products for $5 for 1 million people. 1 million people there. And you want to check the ones that got a good star rating. Okay, good star rating, a good amount of people that have used them in the past, and read some of the reviews, and you can see some of the results that they have. So that's one way right there. How about if you did the same thing on Fiverr? If you come over on Fiverr and you clicked on the search engine and you typed in Facebook affiliate link promotion. How about that? So the same thing here. Here's one that will promote your affiliate link in Facebook, Instagram, and I believe that symbol is WhatsApp right there. I'm not sure, but I think it is. And that's a lot of folks there too. At $10, here's one right here, link to 5 million active Facebook and Twitter users. I will promote your affiliate link to 5 million Facebook and Twitter users for just $10. You see that? This person's got a basic package. I'll promote it to target at $2 million, or 2 million Facebook and Twitter users for 10. The standard is 4 million for 20, and then 45 million for $40. So the basic is even at good at 2 million people, 2 million audience. Guys, that's pretty good for $10. This actually is a really great idea. I don't know why I didn't think of this a long time ago, because it's a really good idea. And then also, if you could do that, I mean, you can use a couple of these. I mean, if you got an extra $40 to spend, you could promote your Clickbank affiliate link out there in the world to all kinds of people. I mean, are you beginning to see the power of this, guys? You see the power of this, and it's complete autopilot. You don't have to do any of the work. You don't have to promote it. You don't have to learn any method to promote the Clickbank product. You just have someone else do it for you that has great experience and obviously connections to multi-millions of people through their abilities to market on Fiverr. Okay, so that's two ways you can do it on Fiverr. You can actually do whatever you can think of, any other way you can think that you can type into the Fiverr search engine to find out how to promote this. How to promote your Clickbank affiliate links. You can do this with the Digistore link. You can do it with any affiliate link. Okay, just using Clickbank product as an example today. Now, how about if you come over to this site right here? Like I said, we clicked into we chose our product in the lose weight niche, right? How about right here, shoutcart.com. You see that right there? Shoutcart.com. This is influencers on Instagram. Not only that, but it's on Instagram, Twitter over here, YouTube, Facebook, and the new TikTok also. You can come over here and get into, like using my product to lose weight, and I've looked up in fitness influencers. If you scroll down here and look, you can see that the amount of followers that these people have here. And if you, like, here's where there was a one I saw earlier, like right here, here's one that's got 184,000, almost 185,000 audience for only $10. $10, and you could have Shoutcart and get your link up on Shoutcart as well, and promote your product through that way as well. So if you spend a total of maybe $40, and you could have your bit.ly link or your affiliate link out there going through all kinds of Facebook, Instagram, all social media networks, and it's all being done for you. So that makes it complete autopilot. Alrighty, guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you see the power in this autopilot method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you would. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and click the notification bell so you get notified. And also, if you want to start your own affiliate marketing business, then you need to see the platform that I'm offering. You want to reach down there where it says mentorwithkev.com and come back and see the affiliate marketing platform that I'm offering. It will help you get a full online affiliate marketing business up online in about 15 days for success. Okay, well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions down below if you see the power of this method and the value in this, and I'll get back with you on that, and I'll let you go, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting, powerful video. All right, you guys have an awesome day. Talk at you later. Bye-bye now.